So when was the last time that you took time to think? I mean, just think. People don't really schedule that into their lives. You know what I'm saying? It's a day-to-day, get things going, work on this, work on that. That's all we do, right? We don't set aside time to just sit and think. Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of the Dog and Pony Show. Thanks to Promo Only and a DJ Event Planner and Electro Voice speakers and microphones, the greatest sound company in the world. The Entertainment Experience, which is the workshop that I do every November, and then again this year in February in North Carolina. So what I guess what I'm talking about is we spend all of our days just working, right? We work and then we work and then we work, and we get up in the morning and we've got our things to do, and then we work some more, and it can become a kind of a mind-numbing thing. You know what I'm saying? It becomes a thing that I don't understand why I'm just not getting anywhere. I just sit down every day. I've got my list. I work it and I work it and I worked it, but I don't give any thought to the work that I am doing, or why I'm doing a thing, or when I'm doing a thing, or if that thing really is something that I should be doing. Or taking time to just sit down and let whatever happens in your brain happen. We are in a business of creative, okay? And if you don't give yourself a chance to think, I mean, just sit and ponder, it doesn't happen. It is a practice that if you don't decide to work on it, then it doesn't show up for you. People who talk to me about getting stuck, or I am feeling like I'm in a rut, usually they've gotten to a place where they just get up and they do their systems, right? They do what they do every morning. They do what they do every night. When they do an event, they do what they do every single time. There's nothing wrong with it. It is what people do, okay? But it does create the rut. It creates the, oh my gosh, what am I going to do? I feel so tired. I feel like I'm being burned out. Yeah, that's because you haven't given your brain a chance to do what it loves to do. Be creative. And it doesn't mean that you sit down and think of a new idea. It could just be sitting around, looking around. I mean, you know this is how it works. Even without me telling you, the best ideas that we ever come up with, when do they show up? In the shower. You know what I'm saying? Or you're working on things out in the yard, and you're just doing that monotonous pushing the lawnmower, and all of a sudden it pops up, and it goes away if you don't go and do something about it. If you sat down, put a pad of paper next to you and a pencil, and just sat outside, away from work, away from everything you know, and sit and give yourself 30 minutes of just being alone with your thoughts, you would be really surprised at the creative, original, amazing things that would show up for you. Are you going to do anything about it? That's another podcast. What do you think of this? Do you take time? Do you schedule it in? Do you know what I'm talking about? I'd love to know your thoughts. Until next time, though, this is Bill. This is Creative License, and peace.